Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Mayasari from the Civil Engineering Study Program. Here I will present material about AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a very well-known CAD program and familiar today because it offers variance, convenience, and advantages, which can make the work of designer and drafters easier in visualizing ideas and his ideas. Since its creation in 1982 by Autodesk Corporation until the release of the latest release, AutoCAD experienced significant development, very meaningful, and has a very big role for development manufacturing industry today. AutoCAD is an application program software that used to draw and design images such as architectural, mechanical, civil, electrical, and others, where the AutoCAD program has convenience and the advantage of creating images quickly and accurately, and that can be used to modify images quickly too. Step for running the AutoCAD program. The AutoCAD program can be run after entering the system. Windows operation first. The steps are as follows. The computer is turned on, then enter the Windows operating system. Click the Start button location on the taskbar. Click Program. After the menu appears, select AutoCAD, then in the group, select the AutoCAD group in. Or click on the AutoCAD icon. Coordinate system. The coordinate system used by AutoCAD is WGS board coordinate system, namely a coordinate system with the X, Y, and Z axis where X the two coordinate axes intersect at point 0, 0 or point origins. Meanwhile, the positive direction of X axis is set by the direction of the arrow. There are three types of coordinate system in AutoCAD. 1. Cartesian or Cartesian coordinates, which is a coordinate system that shows position of a point. The Cartesian coordinate format is XY. 2. Polar coordinates, namely the coordinate system used for shows a distance at a certain angle from the last point. As for the format of polar coordinates is distance angle. Relative coordinates, namely the coordinate system used for shows the relative distance from the last point in the direction. The written format is length, width, height. Important toolbars in the AutoCAD program. There are several important toolbars that must remain in the drawing creation process. Some important toolbars include the following. The function of the proportion toolbar is very important because through this toolbar we can find out the color, line type, and line thickness of an object. Through this toolbar we can also change the color, line type, or line thickness of an object according to what we want. The function of the toolbar is very important because through this toolbar we can find out the type of text, type of dimension, and type of table that we are using. Through this toolbar we can change the text type, dimension type, and table type according to that we want. To display the toolbar in AutoCAD 2021, click Toolbar, AutoCAD, select it by clicking, and the condition is checked as follows. Drawing units in AutoCAD. Please note that AutoCAD does not have standard units for drawing. It is the AutoCAD user himself who determines the units used in AutoCAD. However, in the drawing process in AutoCAD, there are several units that are commonly used, namely millimeter, centimeter, and meter. To make things easier, in this module we only use one unit, namely centimeter, so every object creation is always in centimeter. To be able to run the AutoCAD program, the basic things are must be mastered is knowledge of the AutoCAD screen display. Because we can operate the AutoCAD program well without knowing the elements and the screen as for the elements. These elements can be seen on the AutoCAD screen display as follows. Information 1 title bar. This is title line of the AutoCAD program. Context text AutoCAD and the name of the file that's currently active. 2. Status line or status bar. Summary about information regarding the current status or state of some special functions such as grid, ortho, snap, and others. 3. Drawing area. Drawing area, a place to display images, do drawings and image editing. 4. Pop-up menu. Pull-down menu. The menu line contains the functions to use AutoCAD, including commands for drawing, change settings, save and display image file, and so on. 5. Toolbars. Button the contain AutoCAD commands that can be used quickly, displayed in the form of symbols in a book. 6. Command line. Command line is command line from AutoCAD with function for enter AutoCAD commands such align, circle, rectangle, and so on. Apart from that, it also work for respond to those commands. 7. Control menu icon is the icon used to control the state of the window AutoCAD program. This icon is also one of the visualization standard of every Windows-based application program. To simplify the drawing process in AutoCAD as well as to obtain truly precise image resolution plan, then before starting to draw, arrangements must be made. First, there are things that must be done on the regulation process is 1. Image file boundary setting drawing area limits. Drawing limit is absolutely necessary if the object to be drawn is larger than the standard beta limit. 2. Unit setting. This setting function to determine the system units or unit system that will be used in drawing. In the drawing units dialog box. 3. Snap and grid setting. The function of the snap and grid setting is to create a clear image procession. This setting can be done via drafting setting dialog box, where the grid is the unit used when drawing, while snap function to make the image will straight good, horizontal or vertical. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.